But we got Bonnie and Clyde's, Hellraisers, Syndicate Empire Radio. We're putting it all together. Thank you, my family, for supporting me through all this, a lot of fighting, a lot of drama that we had to go through, a lot of hardship with the city too. We was fighting through owners, slumlords. We fought through all of it, and I got a solid team all around, from my DJs to my artists, to my barbers and braiders. My family here, these two ladies right here, my mother, my grandmother, supported me through a lot. My father, he's out there right here. See this old guy right here? Yeah, right there. Let's get it done. Let's do it. You guys ready? Let me do it. Listen. I mean,
love to hand decisions to a genuinely long journey that you've gotten to, and I'm proud of you.
Thank you, man. Thank you. All right, without further ado, welcome to the dungeons. I love it. I love Halloween. My man McAdoo's here, and he's gonna turn up the party right now. Sarah, Dabby Granny's gonna be giving away stuff all day. She's gonna be here for a little while too, so take care of her.